Question. Got two questions. Number one, what are your thoughts on Voyager? Voyager, it's been around a while. They've made a pretty strong move the last month and a half. Curious to know what your thoughts regarding them over the next 6 to 9 months. And then the second question is, do you have a video out there, Ian, relative to liquidity mining that you can point your followers to?
Okay. I think I covered liquidity mining towards the end of the last live stream, but we can also cover that probably towards the end of this as well. But yeah, I think liquidity mining is definitely something anybody should be doing in their portfolio, especially if you have coins that are good long term. Then going back to Voyager, maybe Bill, if you could pull up TA for that as well for long term. I think Voyager, we've not really done like an in-depth analysis on it, but the fact that they're publicly traded in Canada does make them legit, more legit than almost any other cryptocurrency out there, right? So I had a chance to meet the team back in Vegas about a year and a half ago, and I knew they were legit when they said they had a ticker symbol right on the stock exchange. Now that's not a pass to just FOMO into it, but I think they do have. I mean, I don't think they're gonna rug pull or do an exit scam, anything like that. So I think they have long-term staying power. Now, whether or not they become the next Coinbase or the next Binance, that remains to be seen. I've not used their exchange myself personally, but I think they have the bankroll to stick around and last. So and this has been a good performing coin in our indices here. I think one of them had them. I think the quarterly and monthly did have VGX, which has been quite on the tear. So I don't think it's a bad exchange. Bill, any comments to add to that? Go ahead, Bill.
Okay, so bringing it back up here. If I've got the right symbol for Voyager, okay, I'm noticing it's making kind of a base right on $6.50. Okay. The way I like to think of it is it's kind of like a bird on a wire getting ready to fly. Now, what I've seen is if it can take off, it would go to something like 10. And if there's a big move, which we have seen in a lot of these altcoins, then you could probably see it long-term up here at 22. Okay. So once these coins take off, particularly this initial run, you're either looking at 10 or 22 for Voyager.
Token Metrics is a cryptocurrency investment platform that helps users leverage machine learning to become better crypto investors. Our in-depth analysis helps eliminate the emotions of investing, find profitable investment opportunities, and filters out scams. Learn more at tokenmetrics.com.